Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to clear Safari cookies, cache, and other website data on your Mac. It's a really easy process, so let's get right to it. First, you'll want to open your Safari web browser. Once it's open, look up to the top left-hand corner of your screen and click on the Safari tab. From the Safari menu, click on Settings. This will bring up the Settings window for your Safari browser. Now, in the Settings menu, click on the Privacy tab. Next, and this is the important part, click on the Manage Website Data button. This will show you a list of all the websites you've visited and the data they're storing. If you only want to delete the website data from specific websites, simply click on the website you want to remove the data for, and then click the Remove button. However, if you want to remove all of the website data, just click the Remove All button. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Remove Now to confirm. And that's it. All of your cookies, cache, and other website data will be removed from Safari. Just remember that once you've done this, it's permanent and unrecoverable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips. Thanks for watching.